Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to convert decimals to fractions. Before we get into today's topic, let's briefly review decimals times 10, 100, and 1000. In these cases, you don't need to calculate anything. You just need to move the decimal points to the right. For example, 1.234 times 10. Since 10 has one zero, you need to move the decimal point 1 to the right. So the answer is 12.34. Likewise, 1.234 times 100. Since 100 has two zeros, you need to move the decimal point 2 to the right. So the answer is 123.4. Finally, 1.234 times 1000. Since 1000 has three zeros, you need to move the decimal point 3 to the right. So the answer is 1234 point, which is simply 1234. Do you remember from the previous video that any whole number can be changed to a fraction by adding over 1? So is a decimal. A decimal 0.6 can be changed to 0.6 over 1. Then we can multiply 10 to both the numerator 0.6 and the denominator 1 to get 6 over 10. Because 6 over 10 is not the simplest form, let's change it to the simplest equivalent fraction. Since both 6 and 10 have a common factor of 2, we divide both the numerator 6 and the denominator 10 by 2 to get 3 over 5. So 0.6 is the same as 3 over 5. Now let's calculate 0.3 plus 2 over 5. 0.3 can be changed to 0.3 over 1. We can multiply 10 to both the numerator 0.3 and the denominator 1 to get 3 over 10. Since the lowest common multiple of 10 and 5 is 10, we multiply 2 to the denominator 5 and the numerator 2, and we have 3 over 10 plus 4 over 10. Then 3 plus 4 is 7, so the final answer is 7 over 10. Let's consider the next decimal, 0.32. This can be changed to a fraction by adding over 1 once again. So it is 0.32 over 1. To eliminate a decimal in a fraction, we need to multiply 100 to both the numerator 0.32 and the denominator 1. Then we have 32 over 100. Because 32 over 100 is not the simplest form, let's change it to the simplest equivalent fraction. Since both 32 and 100 have a common factor of 4, we divide both the numerator 32 and the denominator 100 by 4 to get 8 over 25. So 0.32 is the same as 8 over 25. Now let's calculate 1.28 minus 9 over 25. 1.28 can be changed to 1.28 over 1. We can multiply 100 to both the numerator 1.28 and the denominator 1 to get 128 over 100. Since both 128 and 100 have a common factor of 4, we can divide both the numerator 128 and the denominator 100 by 4. 128 divided by 4 is 32, and 32 minus 9 is 23. So the final answer is 23 over 25. Let's summarize today's lesson. Any decimal can be changed to a fraction by adding over 1. Then multiply by 10, 100, 1000, or any larger multiples of 10 to both the denominator and the numerator to eliminate decimals in fractions. For example, 0.07 can be changed to 0.07 over 1. Then multiply by 100 to get rid of the decimal point in the numerator, and also for the denominator. It will become 7 over 100. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Press Show More below the video and then find its link. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Press Show More for details. Thank you and have a good one.